2 times 5 equals 10. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. 6 to the power 2 equals 36 and 2 to the power 2 equals 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1 and finally 36 minus 1 equals 35. But this answer is not right because according to the order of operations we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice in this expression, we have a couple of division operators present, we have multiplication operator present too, we have subtraction operator present here as well, but we also have parentheses and exponents present in this expression. And according to the order of operations, parentheses have highest level of priority. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. So we have division and multiplication operators present inside parentheses, but we need to solve this division first because that is on the left side. 40 divided by 2 equals 20. Our expression inside the parentheses becomes 20 times 5. And 20 times 5 equals 100. Now we have 6 to the power 2 minus 100 divided by 2 to the power 2 present in our expression. And if we notice, we have subtraction and division operators present, but we also have exponents present. According to the rules, exponents have higher priority over multiplication or division or addition and subtraction. So we need to solve exponents first. 6 to the power 2 equals 36. Our expression becomes 36 minus 100 divided by 2 to the power 2, that equals 4. Now we have subtraction and division operators present, and according to the rules, division has highest priority over subtraction. So we need to solve this first. 100 divided by 4 equals 25. And finally 36 minus 25 equals 11, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.